for?
What do you mean I need it for? She's an officer dealing with my case.
Well, that's what I'm asking.
Oh, okay. Oh, you have a name. Oh, I thought you only had numbers in these days.
No.
16.
That's good. Is Catherine spelling with a C, not with a K? Okay, that's
Okay.
Italian. Well, oh no, not Italian, because Italian is with no H. Can I ask you something? When we get interviewed by the office, are we allowed to record with this mobile?
Why? Why would you want to?
I don't know. I just want to make sure we're not.
There's recording in the rooms anyway.
Oh, okay.
Right, that office is based at Kentish Town.
Oh, come on. I went to Kentish Town and they say she's based in here.
Well, she's not because it says Kentish Town.